Most amateurs that I teach, the biggest thing they do is fall backwards at the point of impact, and the shot usually curves, you know, big curveball slice. I think we've all seen that shot, when they should actually be on the left side holding their finish. So next time you're out practicing, see how close you can come to holding your finish for a few seconds after the shot's already gone. If you can't really balance your body, it's okay, because you're probably not used to being balanced. A drill I do is I try to swing at a speed in which I can hold my finish. That's usually going to be full speed for me. I can swing too hard like everyone else. So one thing I want you to do your next practice session, when you're out there, figure out what pace you can swing at and hold your balance for at least 3 seconds. Here we go. One, two, three. Work that into your next practice session. I'm sure it'll help a lot of things. A balanced finish is a key element to the golf swing. I don't see enough of it out there. If you have any other questions, visit my website at bobbyhines.com.